Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Blossom May. To my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and thank you for the support so far. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that once a video is posted, you'll be the first to see it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, in today's video we'll be talking about face creams for light skin. If you have a dark skin and you want to lighten it up, or you want to just brighten up your skin, then this video is for you. You're welcome back guys. So like I earlier said, we're talking about face creams for light skin, and then we're going to be mentioning 3 or thereabouts. Let's see how we go. Number 1 is the Royal Milk Lightening Cream. So this is just like the name Royal Milk. It's going to give your skin a milky, the results when you use products that has milk in it. Yes, that is what it's going to do. It's going to lighten up your skin. It's going to brighten up dull skin, and then it's going to help in treating discoloration. So if you have any of these issues or you want to tackle any of these, then do well to use the Royal Milk Lightening Face Cream. So it is sold around 3,500 naira way up to 6,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from or where you are purchasing it from. It has natural ingredients and it also has SPF 30, but I'm still going to advise that you use it alongside a sunscreen. That is if you're using it during the day. But if you're using it at night, then you don't have to use a sunscreen. Number 2 is the Pallier Golden Face Cream. So Pallier Golden Face Cream is basically for tackling discolorations. It helps in treating all the blemishes on the skin, either facial skin or your knuckles, your knees, your dark elbow. It helps in treating it very well. It's going to give it a very smooth and fairer skin with consistent use, and it's going to blend up your skin if you have discolorations, if you have dark cycles, if you have sunburn, if you have dark spots. It is going to do the work very well. So guys, it's sold around 3,500 naira way up to 5,000 naira, also depending on where you are purchasing it from. Major ingredients in it include the titanium oxide, zinc oxide, alpha-arbutin, vitamin B6, as well as kojic acid. And then one more thing about this lotion is that if you use it, if you keep using it, you're going to really see the results. You're going to have a smoother skin. Like if your elbow areas, your knee, your knuckles is going to become very soft and smooth, and it's going to really lighten up. So if you're considering getting a lightening face cream, you can consider either the Royal Milk, the Pallier Golden, or the third one, which is the Aneza Gold Face Cream. So this Aneza Gold is a treatment face cream. It helps in treating pimples, rashes, dark spots, and other skin blemishes. It is best used at night. It is best used at night. Like, I'm going to recommend that you use it at night. If you have to use it during the day, then don't forget to use your sunscreen alongside. It has natural ingredients and amazing ingredients like the avocado, kojic acid, citric acid, as well as aloe vera extract. So guys, these are the major 3 we're talking about, but something just popped up. If you don't want to use any of these 3, then you can consider watching my other video I posted. I posted it, and the Obi 20 face cream. I'm just going to link it in this video in the description box, and then you can consider using any of these for, I bet you, once you watch this video and you watch the video about the Obi 20 face cream, I bet you're going to make up your mind on which one to use. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have used any of these, or if you intend using, which one would you go for, and any other thing you want to talk about. And don't forget to give us recommendations. What do you want us to talk about? I'll see you in my next video. For now, it's a bye, and I love you guys. Mwah.